Working on some fun stuff with the head here. I've attached some cables and a control harness so that the head will actually turn. And the neat thing is, you might have noticed I'm wearing a brain bucket. That is because this helmet slots right in. So when my head turns left, so does the head. And when my head turns right, the head does also. And now if you'll just wait a sec, I will demonstrate. There we go. Turn my head left, right, and left, and right. And now it might be a concern of, you get bashed in the head. It might cause your own head to twist out of the way. That's why the helmet is not actually attached to this harness. It just slips right in there because there's some vent holes on the top. One bolt rests in right there, another one right there. Goes in just enough to get some motion, so if you are hit in the head, you'll probably get your head jarred out of the way, so it won't be that big a deal. So I'm going to be mounting this little guy, looks like a guy doing a split in the roof of the mech with some sort of level adjuster, so I can make it so it fits my head just right. Rests nice and neat on top of that. So that is all for today. So I will see you next time. Bye bye.